yummy? You gonna get messy? What's up, guys? Good morning. It's a very special day. It is Henleigh's second birthday. What's up? Oh, Finn water? Well, that's for the other puppy that was here yesterday. I don't know his name. Oh yeah, Bubbles. All right, let's go see Nana and Papa. Oh wait, I need the keys. I need the car keys. Oh man. Hot mess mama status, as always. Where are they? Who freaking knows? Where are my keys at? Where are my keys at? Where are my keys? Oh, shit. Okay. I have no idea. Found them. They were in my bag the whole time. You trying to help him? He hates his car seat so much. So as soon as I get him in, I have to pretty much start moving like right away, otherwise he freaks out. Anyways, as I was saying, it is Henleigh's birthday and we are gonna make the most of it. We already had her party. I was going to vlog it and I opened the vlog and everything, but I am notorious for completely sucking at hosting birthday parties and vlogging them at the same time. I filmed with my phone when she was blowing out her birthday candles, and that's about it. Will you get into your seat, baby? Will you get in Henleigh's seat? Can you? No. Okay, you can move your ball. Anyways, hold on, guys. I'm gonna try to get all my kids in the car. Okay. Seat, Henleigh's seat. Go to Henleigh's seat. Oh, I know, birthday girl wants to drive, but birthday girl needs to be buckled in. Let go. Let go. You want to go see Nana and Papa? We gotta go see Nana and Papa. They're waiting. They're waiting for us. Don't do that. You're gonna make it hurt. Jesus, take the wheel. We are gonna go meet my parents for lunch, and then we're probably gonna go over to their house and let Henleigh play with one of the toys that she got for her birthday that we didn't bring home because we have way too many toys at my house. I didn't know where I was gonna put it, but it's this big like four-wheeler type deal, and it just takes up like way too much room. And until I can get the girls to go through their toys and get rid of some toys, I can't bring any more toys to the house, especially not big bulky toys. So that's at my parents' house. We're gonna let her go play with that, and then gosh, before we know it, it's gonna be time to go get the kids from school. Oh my gosh, I went the wrong way. What in the heck was I thinking? I like completely went the wrong way. Like completely. Oh my god. Call Daddy on speaker. Hey, you guys aren't there yet, are you?
No, we're on traffic. We're not far though.
I went the wrong way. I don't know what I was thinking. I don't know why. It's like habit, and I just started going.
Autopilot.
Yeah. Oh, I'm slowing down to the green light. Oh my gosh.
Are you high right now?
I just wanted to let y'all know that I am totally running late now. If I wasn't running late before, I'm definitely running late now. Oh my god, leave it to me to go the wrong way when I'm already running behind per the norm. You want Baby Shark, baby? Okay. Someone's a little obsessed with Baby Shark. I'm someone. It's me. right, we made it in one piece. Thank goodness. Let's see what else could go wrong today. Honestly, I wouldn't put it past myself for anything at this point. You ready?
Dad, Mom.
Your glasses? I think we left them at home, Pumpkin. I know, I'm sorry. All right, I'm gonna get baby brother and then I'll come get you. Okay? Here. You keep the camera on you. It's birthday girl.
Papa.
You ready? Ready? Hold it. Okay, hold it gentle and careful. Right? Be very careful with Mommy's camera. Okay, baby? You still gotta hold my hand.
Uh-oh. Bug.
Bird?
Bug. Bird. Uh-oh.
Watch your steps. This way.
Hey.
I promise we go this way.
Oh.
Okay, come on.
Game. Uh-oh. No. Papa.
Yeah. You wanna see Papa?
Mommy. Oh, uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Who's that? Hey, let him go. Who's that? Where's Papa? Who's that? Hi, sweetheart. How are you? Come on, baby girl. Go see Papa.
She's big now.
She'll be fine. Here, Henleigh, I'm gonna put it on you, okay? Oh, you have it all zoomed in. What in the heck?
Makes her even bigger.
There you go, pretty girl.
How's your day?
Figured it out. Oh my gosh. Henleigh rigged my camera so that it would only record for 5 seconds. Henleigh, where's your four-wheeler? Where's your four-wheeler? Where is it? Where's your bike? There? Will you ride it? I want to see. Come on, princess. You gonna carry it? Did you get some money too? Where's your cash? Where's your cash? Huh? Where's your cash? Where'd you put it? You don't know. Nana took it? Nana took your cash? Oh no. You want it back? Yeah? Go ask Nana. Ask Nana for your cash. She got some cash out of her card and she went cash and just walked off with it and put it in her little four-wheeler. What is it? He's a fussy boy. What? You want ice? Okay.
Mom.
What's this?
This.
Ooh, is that the eyes book? Is that the book about eyes that you got? Henleigh got lots of good books for her birthday, didn't you, sweetheart? If anyone is wondering why the camera angle sucks so bad, it's because I'm trying to breastfeed right now. Henleigh, did you have a happy day? You did?
No.
Yeah? Henleigh, how old are you now? Henleigh, how many years old are you?
Mama. Mom.
What is it? What is it?
Mom.
What is it?
What is it, Mom?
Ooh, eyes? Where's your eyes? Where's your eyes? Where's your eyes? You know where your eyes are? Tell me. That's right, good girl. Well, guys, I didn't vlog too much for the rest of the day because it's really just been one of those hot mess days. Oh, and even my camera's all messed up. I really need to go get it looked at. I don't know why. It sucks so bad. The quality just sucks lately. I've been having a really difficult time. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. I feel like all the YouTube moms seem like they have all of their shit together and they make it look so easy, and it is not. I'm here to tell you that it is not easy. It is really freaking hard.
Me though, Mom.
You though? You beatboxing? She's a little beatboxer. Henleigh, you're the best. You're so cute. Henleigh, can you say I'm 2?
2?
Yes, 2. Say I'm 2.
Oh, good. Mom.
I love you. Close enough. Anyways, guys, it's been such a rough day. I didn't vlog much this evening, and I don't know what I would have vlogged about. It literally would have been me just like scrambling, trying to keep everyone alive and make everything work today. If anybody's wondering, I was successful. I just don't know how I would have vlogged it. But I actually got dinner done, dishes done,
Mom.
clothes folded and put away. Everybody got baths.
Mom.
And I stayed sane for the most part. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna get these kids to bed. You ready to go night, baby? Yeah. And Silas is already dozing off.
Mom.
Yeah.
Babe.
Anyways, guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I will see you all in my next video. You say goodnight?
Mike.
Good night. What are you gonna do? You getting books? How many books you got? How many books you got? It's how old you are. 2 books. Oh, you just threw them.